This
sorry,
is Roberto.
excuse me.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me. Sorry, my name's Roberto. Are you from another country? You too. We could walk. This time I try to step up.
So Roberto,
Hey,
how are you?
I'm doing fine. I'm just ready to get back into it.
Okay.
Yeah, ready just to make this video fire. Let's say.
So at the end,
I want to ask you a question. I want to say you look really beautiful.
Thanks.
Just walking past by, chilling the breeze. My name's Roberto. What's your name? Are you from here?
No, I'm from here.
How you guys met?
Summer camp.
Summer camp?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to summer camp a long time ago, summer day camp and stuff. But what you guys up to today? Just chilling,
Yeah.
breezing and stuff. Yeah, I'm supposed to be meeting a friend in a few minutes. Show him around. He's from France and stuff. You been there?
I have actually as a kid.
How was like?
It smells interesting.
I never been there. I'm about to head out. You want to one day get to know each other, get coffee, or?
I'm flattered, but I have a boyfriend.
Oh, all right. Have a good day.
This was already much better.
It was much better.
Did anything?
I think the weather was just cool, more.
Yeah, it's more relaxed. But you don't need to say like, oh, let's get to know each other. That's a bit like serious. Just say what you want to do. Let's get a coffee or let's go get a drink.
Alright.
And as you do that, then you'll get to know each other.
Excuse me. Sorry, I just wanted to say you look really beautiful today. How's your day going so far?
I'm sorry, I'm in a rush.
In a rush?
Sorry.
Nah.
I think that what I want you to focus on is you have to smile.
All right.
You have to smile because if you don't smile, then it's very serious.
All right.
Okay.
So just don't be scared. Just go in there, man. Just go in there. Just speak, man. It doesn't matter if you stutter or have a disability or any kind of thing. Just go through it. Sorry, excuse me. I wanted to let you know you look really beautiful today. How's your day going so far? Wait, you have any plans today or something? I think I was studying a little bit in the beginning and stuff. I was trying to get the words.
Yeah. You should really try to say excuse me as if the person dropped their phone. You be like, excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse. And then you said, oh, I think you're beautiful. Just say you're beautiful. You know what I mean?
Excuse me. Excuse me. I want to say you look really beautiful today. What book are you reading today? Summer Booker. Oh, yes, it was backwards. But how's the book is about the summer? Yeah, I'm into comic books. What are you doing? It's in here. You're just walking around. Yeah, today is a good weather today. The breeze. Yeah, I can't take the hot too much.
Yeah.
I gotta go home and cool.
Yeah,
Mostly.
I don't like when it gets hot.
I'm supposed to be meeting a friend in like 10 minutes. He's from France. You been there before? Or you one day want to go to different states?
France would be really cool.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get going, but you would like to get a coffee or?
I have a boyfriend.
All right. There's no problem with that and stuff. You too.
How was that for you?
Relax and chill.
Try to talk longer.
Longer?
Okay, just to see, try to stay as long as possible.
All right. I'm just chilling, man. I'm just chilling. Just chilling. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
What was that?
Sorry. I just wanted to say you look really beautiful.
Oh, you're so
Today.
kind. That's so sweet of you.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah. Wait. Wait. You're up to Oh, sorry. I'm stuttering a little bit, but I was asking, what are you doing today and stuff?
Just getting ready for work.
Hi, my name's Roberto.
To meet you.
Yeah. Are you from here?
No, I don't live here.
Oh, you don't?
I live in LA.
Oh, LA. You just visiting a friend?
Just
Oh.
visiting. Yes.
Oh. I just want to say you was beautiful.
Oh, you're so
I'm
sweet.
gonna leave now. But
Okay.
you wanna exchange? Just get
Yeah,
to.
sure. You can get my.
All right. Okay.
Have a
That's
great
nice.
day.
I'll call you. All right.
Okay, sounds good.
All
Have
right.
a good day.
You too.
Okay,
Yeah.
Roberto!
Yeah.
What was that?
I kind of messed up a little bit. Then I had to
You
with the
said all
stutter.
that stuff. That was good. That was good.
Yeah.
She was also very sweet.
She took her headphones off and yeah.
Damn, bro. That was nice.
Yeah, feel a little bit energized. I want to ask a question. I didn't want to disturb you, but I thought you was really beautiful.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you. Appreciate it.
How's your day going so far?
Good.
You riding the bike and stuff?
Yeah, we're trying.
I can't ride a bike. I'll be honest with you.
Honestly, I haven't rode since I was 10 years old.
They tried to put training wheels and it worked a little, but when they took it out, I had too much knees
Yeah,
problems and stuff.
yeah. It's hard.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
thank you so much.
I want to serve you, but you one day want to go out?
Oh, I'm only here on a vacation. I'm leaving tomorrow, actually.
All right, where you from?
I'm from California.
All right, have a good one.
I can feel the good vibes.
Yeah.
You know, you're
Yeah.
much happier.
Yeah.
You're much happier. You're
Yeah.
smiley. That's
Yeah.
much better. Like when you say to someone, "I
Yeah.
don't want to disturb you,"
Yeah.
you're introducing the idea that you're disturbing
Yeah.
them, right? So you're kind of shooting
Yeah.
yourself in the foot. So just say, "Hey, you're very beautiful.
Yeah.
Are you guys
Yeah.
biking?"
Yeah, bike. I want to say excuse me. Oh, sorry, but I want to say you look really beautiful. Today. How's your day going so far? Yeah, I thought you was really beautiful. I went to say hello. I'm sorry I stutter. What you up today?
You just have to make an extra
Yeah,
effort.
yeah.
At the beginning, you can't stutter in the beginning.
Yeah.
Like at least the first words.
Yeah, I know.
Like if you stutter after, it's okay.
Yeah.
When you say "excuse me," the
Yeah.
prime is like here, like for like 5 seconds. Like
Yeah.
she was.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
didn't-
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
she,
yeah.
She was like, "What do
yeah.
you want?" You know.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I know.
But you just have to
Yeah.
just say "excuse me."
Excuse
You're very
me,
cute,
yeah,
and then you
yeah.
can stutter. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
But that
Yeah, I
is
know,
the
I
beginning,
know.
you know?
And
then when she tries to have the conversation, it's like it's too late.
Yeah,
You're already
yeah,
out of
yeah,
it. You know? But it's okay. It's good that you can laugh about it.
Yeah. Just don't take it too serious. Just do it and see what happens. I went to say excuse me. I thought you was really beautiful. I want to say hello. What's your name?
But I will say I have a boyfriend.
Oh, all right. We can still speak for a few minutes, second. Berto. Yeah, that's a cute little dog.
Yeah.
My friend has a Chihuahua.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I was thinking about getting a dog one day, but I don't. I'm too busy.
It's a lot.
Work, a lot of work.
To take on.
Yeah. How long you been having your dog?
A year.
A year? Oh, you from another country?
I'm English.
Yeah, I could hear the accent a little bit. You just chilling, drinking your tea and stuff.
Yeah.
That's nice. All right. Have a good day. You too. It was good. Even the girl had a boyfriend, I still talk with her.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
That was really
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Instead of saying "excuse me," you said, "Hey, I just want to say excuse me." Just say "excuse me." You said,
Excuse
"Hey,
me.
I just want to say excuse me."
All right.
Just say "excuse me."
right.
That's it.
Excuse me. I went to say something. I went to say something. I thought you was really beautiful. I didn't want to disturb you. Excuse me. Hi, my name's Roberto.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Are you here for a jog? We could walk. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm a treadmill guy, but I walk sometimes. Sometimes in my free time if I don't feel like working out. Do you live here?
No, I'm just visiting a friend.
Oh.
Wait, what about you?
I live here in Brooklyn. If you come back, you want to hang out or?
I feel like you're asking me in a date way and I have a boyfriend. So
All right.
but I appreciate that.
All right, have
Have a
no
good day.
problem. The excuse me part,
Yeah,
my mind, like,
You mixed all the words.
You're like, hey, I just want to say something.
Yeah.
I think you're very beautiful. Excuse me. What are you gonna tell people who say, yeah, but you got rejected so many times? Why do you still do it?
You still do it to improve yourself. You still do it to improve yourself. Even that girl said she's not into you or something. There's other people. There's other fishes here. Excuse me. I wanted to say you look really beautiful today.
Thank you.
How's your day going so far?
Good. How's yours?
Mine's going pretty alright. Just walking around, trying to get some exercise, meet new people and stuff.
That's good.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
How you guys met?
Huh?
How you guys met? You
We're just friends.
school friends? Nice.
No, just
Friends?
Yeah. Well, it was nice talking to you, but we're talking about. Sorry.
Just a quick minute. Just a quick second. Oh, you want to go out sometime?
I have a boyfriend.
All right.
Sorry.
All right. It's all right.
Though.
You too.
Any last words?
Just keep improving. It will happen one day. Just good luck, and just keep trying, man. And peace. Animal
Okay.
show.
Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Thank you, bro. Peace.